Hook, have you ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Like you're drowning in a sea of bills and debts? If so, you're not alone. Many people struggle with managing their money, and it can be a daunting task. That's where apps like Rocket Money come in. They promise to simplify your financial life, but is it too good to be true? Today, we're going to dive deep into Rocket Money and answer the question, can I trust Rocket Money app? Building context. Personal anecdote. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me share a personal story. I used to be a financial disaster. My bills were piling up, and I had no idea where my money was going. I was desperate for a solution, and that's when I stumbled upon Rocket Money. I was intrigued by the idea of an app that could help me take control of my finances, but I was also skeptical. Could it really be as easy as they claimed? Audience connection. I'm sure many of you can relate to this feeling. It's easy to get overwhelmed by money, and it can feel like there's no way out. But the truth is, there are tools available to help us, and Rocket Money is one of them. Understanding Rocket Money. What is Rocket Money? Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you track your spending, identify savings opportunities, and even negotiate bills. It's designed to make managing your money easier and more efficient. Key features. Let's break down some of the key features that Rocket Money offers. Bill negotiation. One of the most popular features of Rocket Money is its bill negotiation service. They claim to be able to negotiate lower rates for your bills, saving you money. Spending tracking. Rocket Money helps you track your spending by connecting to your bank accounts. This allows you to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Savings opportunities. The app also helps you find ways to save money, such as by suggesting better deals on subscriptions or identifying unused memberships. Credit monitoring. Rocket Money offers a credit monitoring service that can help you protect your identity and keep an eye on your credit score. Is Rocket Money legit? User reviews. One of the best ways to determine if an app is legit is to read user reviews. Let's take a look at what people are saying about Rocket Money. Positive reviews. Many users have praised Rocket Money for its ease of use and effectiveness. They have reported saving money on their bills and gaining better control of their finances. Negative reviews. However, there are also some negative reviews. Some users have complained about the app's interface or the fact that it didn't negotiate their bills as successfully as they had hoped. Expert opinions. In addition to user reviews, it's also helpful to consider the opinions of financial experts. Many experts have praised Rocket Money for its potential to help people improve their financial situation. Is Rocket Money worth it? Cost. Rocket Money offers a free version and a premium version. The free version provides basic features, while the premium version offers additional features like identity theft protection and unlimited bill negotiation. Weighing the pros and cons. Before deciding if Rocket Money is worth it, it's important to weigh the pros and cons. The app can be a valuable tool for those looking to improve their financial management, but it's not a magic bullet. Tips for using Rocket Money effectively. Be consistent. To get the most out of Rocket Money, it's important to be consistent with using it. Track your spending regularly and take advantage of the app's features. Set realistic goals. Don't expect Rocket Money to solve all of your financial problems overnight. Set realistic goals and celebrate your progress along the way. Be patient. Bill negotiation can take time, so be patient and don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Conclusion. Recap. So, can you trust Rocket Money app? The answer is, it depends. The app has the potential to be a valuable tool for managing your finances, but it's important to use it wisely and understand its limitations. Call to action. If you're struggling with your finances, I encourage you to give Rocket Money a try. It's a free app, so there's no risk involved. Just remember to be patient, consistent, and set realistic goals. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.